Today I'm working with 4 photos for a 2-page layout. This will be for our Disney album. My name is Emily, and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where I'm all about scrapping my stash and getting some pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any ideas. I've pulled some items for this layout. It's to record our trip home from Orlando last September. And so I've got the photos and some possible photo mats, a cute airplane die cut. I have a suitcase die cut and I put "See you real soon." And I pulled a paper scrap with Mickey, "Remember the Magic." And then I've had some more fun with toilet paper rolls this week. Actually, this was a paper towel roll. I created this stencil or mask, and I'll show a couple photos of what that looked like in progress, but essentially just cut the paper towel tube into sections and then created hearts by kind of just sandwiching the rings into hearts, and then I just glued them together to make a unique stencil. And then I took some Dylusions ink spray and created the background that you see here. I had some paint, extra paint from another project, and I thought I will just add a little bit of border on the top and bottom, and this will be a great background. We love Disney, and so leaving the happiest place on earth is a hard thing to do. We really had a great week at Disney World, and so I want to do a page to remember our trip home. I really like "Remember the Magic," and "See you real soon" is a great thing to have on this page because that's something that I think Mickey Mouse says, "See you real soon." So I'm gonna put the suitcase and the airplane die cut probably up here, and I like "Remember the Magic" a lot. Here we are walking out of the resort, a picture looking back. Our room was right up there. I took a picture of our room right as we left to remember it. It's a mess, but that's okay. And then here's a picture of the airplane wing as we boarded. Now I pulled a few mats. I don't think I'm going to use those after all, but I will use the hearts. And I'll put that on a couple of the photos that maybe that I want to have a little more attention than others. But yeah, so I think this is probably about the arrangement I want. And I think I'm going to cut this out because then it'll leave room for a second photo on this side. So I'll have 2 and 2. And I will probably find a way to incorporate a scrap of this paper just to add a little additional Disney to it. And yeah, let's see how this falls together. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep on scrapping that stash, everybody.